The Middle East had seen wars, but not like this. Tehran had been planning this for months. Iranian drones lifted off before sunrise. A swarm, silent, low, and locked on target. The world's largest oil facility undefended. The first drone hit at 4:17 a.m. Flames tore through the heart of Saudi oil. Oil prices spiked before the sun rose. Riyadh convened an emergency. The Crown Prince was furious. 5% of world oil supply gone. The Saudi military had never faced a moment like this. Satellites confirmed. The drones came from Iranian soil. Riyadh called Washington. The answer was cautious. America said, "Do not escalate." Saudi Arabia said nothing. 15 Eagles. Armed. Fueled. Waiting. Young pilots. Trained for this. Not ready for what came next. 4 jets. 1 mission. Crossed the line. They flew north, into Iranian airspace. No country had done this in 40 years. Tehran's radar screamed. Nobody believed what they saw. Iran's surface-to-air missiles were locked and tracking. 2 missiles fired. The sky turned white. 3 jets broke left. 1 didn't make it. Impact. 1 Saudi pilot ejected over enemy land. Iranian Revolutionary Guard reached him first. 3 jets landed. The 4th never came home. Iran announced the capture. Proof of Saudi aggression. Across the Arab world, shock, then fury. Oil hit $140. Economies across the globe wobbled. The Security Council convened. No one agreed on anything. Quietly, an Omani back channel opened. Iran demanded full withdrawal. Saudi Arabia said never. 1 prisoner changed the equation entirely. 2 paths remained: diplomacy or total war. Talks collapsed on day 3. The region held its breath. Nothing would be the same. The line had been crossed.